Hello users, welcome to Trade Talk. So here are the few things that happen in the crypto ecosystem and why you should know about it. In the first instance, hackers have stolen a substantial amount of $600 million from Poly Network, which is a DeFi protocol for cross-chain transactions, by exploiting the keeper function of the Ethereum cross-chain data contract. Slowmist, a cybersecurity defensive firm, is now exploring this instance and have tracked the hacker to its mailbox and the IP they might be using. But today, the Poly Network hacker has returned 4.7 million in funds and has asked the developers to unlock the Tether coins that were frozen after the attack. Axie Infinity, the blockchain collectible game, has clocked a sales volume of $1 billion today, mainly because of its cute collection of Axies and a play-to-earn model. People are now buying NFT rocks of different colors worth as high as $200,000. The project is called Ether Rocks and it came into existence shortly after CryptoPunks in 2017, with a total supply of only 100 rocks to ever exist. A man in Israel has been sentenced to 7 years in prison after he stole 75,000 Dash coins from his own friend. Now the court has imposed a fine of $1.5 million with a maximum compensation of $80,000 on him. See you in the next video.